So, welcome to EuroBlech 2016. I want to introduce you today the FLW with unique Ensis beam shaping technology. It's the only laser welding cell in the market that is able to have a variable beam control. This is necessary to overcome wider gaps, to have deeper welding penetration, and we can create a very wide, smooth welding bath. So this is a very unique technology to offer more flexible variations for laser welding. We can do various types of weldings. We can deep penetration welding. We can have a connection of different materials when we weld through so that you do not see any markings or colors from the rear side. So it offers totally new variations of laser welding. So this is our latest innovation, a sheet metal flexi center, the ACIES AJ. It's equipped with our own 4 kilowatt fiber laser source, and it offers excellent performance for 24/7 production. We have integrated lots of processes. We have a 4 kilowatt fiber laser source and a 300 kilonewton punching capacity, and with this the machine offers a tremendous flexibility, at the same time with lowest energy consumption. With the latest AMADA 3i controller, we have a very unique controller system which is nearly available for all other AMADA machines. We have it equipped with a 300 station tool magazine, so at least this is by far the most flexible and highest productive system in the field. So also as a world premiere, we show on the EuroBlech 2016 a lineup of our LCG AJ series. So it's the first time equipped with 6 kilowatt and 9 kilowatt fiber laser power. So with the 6 and 9 kilowatt fiber laser range, we are able to cut thin to thick material with real high speed and high quality. This machine is equipped with an automatic nozzle changer. It has a conveyor belt. We can do a cut and pierce monitoring, and also, like we have seen on the ACIES, it is equipped with our AMADA 3i controller. So this is a real perfect match to the customer requirements in case you want to cut a little thicker material. With the Ensis on this EuroBlech 2016, we show the first time this machine technology with a 3 kilowatt laser source. It has the same variable beam control like we mentioned before with our FLW welding cell. The strength of this machine is really to cut from thin to thick with a perfect cut quality. Up to 25mm mild steel, it's no problem to have a reliable cut with a perfect cutting surface. This machine is equipped with the known 3i controller. It's also equipped with a nozzle changer, with a VAX cutting, means a water-cooled cutting process. We have the cut and pierce monitoring inside. We have a conveyor belt underneath the machine. So everything to have a 24-hour operation system for high productivity.